come take a walk in my kitchen. Let me show you how I fry my fish as a Jamaican girl living in Canada. So what do I use to season my fish? Salt and pepper, and that Maggi season right there. It's almost done. I need another one. So after sharing with you my Thanksgiving dinner yesterday, that video is now over 40,000 views, guys. I could not believe it. I was not expecting it. And not to mention the questions, the comments. Oh my goodness. So now I'm adding to the oil my garlic, my pimento, thyme, and pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. And I cut the pepper so that it gets the flavor. The oil gets the flavor and the fish get the flavor. You want to make sure your oil is hot. You hear that sizzling sound. So when you drop the fish in it, that's all the oil's supposed to be sizzling up, so you know that your fish is frying nice and golden like that. You don't want to put the seasoning on the outside because it's going to look burnt. So what I do, I put the salt on the outside and the Maggi seasoning and the black pepper on the inside. And that's the secret of not making your fried fish look like it burnt, having that nice golden look just like those. Now for the escovich sauce: onion, pepper, carrots. If you want to put Scotch bonnet pepper, simmer in a little bit of vinegar and your pimento. When it starts boil, you lock off the stove and cover the pot. Now I did some snapper fish and also some sprat, and this was a weekend event. I don't remember when I did this, but I have the bread, those dinner rolls. I also did that. I have the video somewhere here. You can go find it. And tell me in the comments if you fry fish in your house as a Jamaican living abroad, Canada or the US, and let me know if you want that bread pudding recipe. I can do another video just for you. Bye.